Hello viewers, in this video we solve an interesting exponential math Olympiad question. We find out what is the value of x. This expression is 5 to the power 7 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power 5 to the power x. Then I apply both side log. It is log 5 to the power 7 to the power x is equal to log 7 to the power 5 to the power x. Then according to logarithm rules, it will be 7 to the power x times log 5 is equal to 5 to the power x times log 7. Then if I divide both sides log 5 to the power x, it will be log 7 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x is equal to, I also divide both sides log 5, it will be log 7 divided by log 5. Then this expression bases are different but exponents are same. It will be 7 divided by 5 to the power x is equal to log 7 base log 5. Then I also apply both sides log. It will be log 7 divided by 5 to the power x is equal to log 7 base log 5. Then x times log 7 divided by 5 is equal to log 7 base log 5. Then I divide both sides log 7 divided by 5. Then it will be x is equal to log 7 base log 5 divided by log 7 divided by 5. Then according to logarithm rules, it will be log 7 base log 5 This is our final answer.